Hey guys, welcome back to another quick phone video. In today's video, I'm showing you an unboxing of the Visible R2. This is a CTE device. So I'm just gonna read some specs to you guys and I'll show you and tell you how I got this phone for free. It's pretty cool, but that's why I decided to do the unboxing on it. So this is by Visible Wireless. If you guys don't know what Visible Wireless is, it's basically what Cricket is to AT&T. So this is what, Verizon is to this, So Visible runs off of Verizon's network. The plan is amazing, guys. That's why I wanted to try it out. It's only $40 a month for unlimited everything, limited talk, text, and data, and included also unlimited hotspot for me, since I am one of the early adopters of this. After that, you will have to pay for it, I believe. But right now, if you get Visible Wireless, and since it's only been about 6 months since it's been out, you can get the hotspot, and they just added that. So let me read you some specs real quick. So this phone does retail for $99, guys. Of course, I got this for free, and the way I got this for free was if you trade in your old Android phone, as long as it's working. It didn't say anything about it if it's damaged or anything. Like I have an old Samsung Galaxy S5 that's a cracked screen, but it turns on and works. So I decided to trade that one in for this one, and they'll give you this phone for free. So like I said, this is a CTE phone for Visible customers. It has a 5.45-inch HD plus display. Very nice 18:9 aspect ratio with a 13 megapixel rear HDR camera, panorama, time lapse with smart power management, and a 3,200 milliamp battery. Wow. So this does have Android Oreo. Very nice. Like I said, it is on Verizon's network. Some other things, it does have a Qualcomm Snapdragon 425 or 425. 1.4 gigahertz quad core processor. Wow, so it's pretty cool. 2 gigs of RAM. So far the specs are not the best, but hey guys, so far they're not the worst either. 5 megapixel front facing camera with screen flash for perfect selfies. 16 gigs of internal storage with expandable up to 256 gigabyte micro SD card, of course not included. 13 megapixel rear camera. LCD IPS, like I said, 5.45 display, 12-month warranty guarantee, smart power management, extended 3,200 milliamp battery. That battery right there is actually pretty good, guys. USB-C, wow, 2.0 charging. So it does have Type-C, which is nice, hearing aid, and mobile hotspot compatible. So now that we have the specs out of the way, let's go ahead and unbox it. I just got this literally probably like 5 minutes ago from FedEx. It literally came in 2 days, so that's pretty cool when I ordered it. And here is Visible's SIM card. As you can see, here it is. I believe this is the SIM card that comes with it, so I'm not going to give you anything down there, but very cool. So that's what you get in the box. Let's do the official unboxing. So here on the side, as you can see, it does say Visible. It's phone service and an app. What's cool about this is there's no stores, no brick and mortar stores at all. So you will have to do everything through online. So new phone, do this. So it says insert Visible SIM, download the Visible app and activate talk, text, surf, and stream to your heart's content. So let's say today we're just doing the unboxing, and then I'll go ahead and activate it and maybe do a full review depending on how well the video does. Now, like I told you, I got this phone for free because I traded in my Galaxy 5, so you will have to ship that phone back. It does come with the prepaid label basically, so I will have to send that one off probably later today. So let's go ahead and unbox this. I'm excited. Oh wow, that's a huge phone. Look at that. So let's go ahead and let's go ahead and take a look at it. Wow. That's a pretty big phone, guys. Look at that. Jesus. I'm going to put my little handy dandy knife away. Wow, I like the back. It's like a charcoal almost. I don't know if you can really see it. I do like that's pretty cool. It has Visible right there. Nice. Wow. A little charcoal. It is plastic. You can see the rear speaker back here. CT logo right there. Your front-facing camera is on the top with your earpiece. I do like that it comes with a screen protector on here already. So that's pretty nice of them. Of course, Type-C charging right there. So that's even better right there. Look at that. Wow. And of course you have your, wow, whoa. Ah, okay. So I was like, why? So volume up, volume down, your power button, your headphone jack on the top, and then of course your SIM tray. So let's get more into that. Let's see what else comes inside. Little quick guide right here. Visible R2 quick start guide. So pretty cool. Wow. Tells you the basic functionalities, which is nice. You do get your wall adapter, and also you do get your Type-C charger right here, which is nice. I kind of needed another one either way. So, yep, Type-C. I don't think it's fast charge at all. Whoa. The only thing that I see missing inside the package is the SIM card. Oh, here it is, the tool. Wow, look at that packaging. What? Look, check it out. Huge. That is some nice futuristic stuff right there. So it says, it's simple. How does it work? Pop out old SIM using provided tool. Insert new SIM. Make sure you are connected to Wi-Fi. So that's something you have to be connected to Wi-Fi. It says, download and launch the Visible app. Follow the on-screen directions. Pat yourself in the back. We did it. So I'll go ahead and do this for you and come back and see how that works. So I do like that. It comes with the tray. All right, guys. So here's the phone finally done activating. As you can see, it says Visible on the top left corner. Very nice. It does run on Verizon's network, so everything looks pretty good. As you can see, I have here inside the house about 1 bar. I did move recently more into the country. Not really into the country, still in the city, but more in the outskirts, you know. So first of all, just a quick thing when activating this phone is it did take a while to activate. You have to have Wi-Fi to activate it. At least from what I can see, because they tried to activate it by itself and said it had an issue. It's going to have to download the Visible app right here. If not, it won't activate. You have to have a Visible account, which either way, when you sign up for the phone, you have to make an account. I can make calls right now, but my internet doesn't work, so I have to be using Wi-Fi. It says they're working on some things on the cloud. And also the Visible app closed on me about 5 times. Just setting up, you know, but... and it said it stopped working. But like I said, all this stuff is new. You know, the Visible is pretty young, so they are working on it. Clicking on here, you can see like that you have mobile hotspot and all that stuff. But overall, this phone is pretty cool. Like I said, I'm kind of reviewing the phone and the service. It does remind me definitely of the old the old Android phones. Like I said, it's running 8.0 Oreo, so pretty cool. Not bad at all. I kind of like it. It is a little bit slow, but like I said, hey, for being a free phone, it's nice. I wouldn't pay $100 definitely for this phone. Maybe if it was in the $50 range, maybe $60 range, but $100, I mean, maybe if you need a phone, it's pretty nice. At least the screen is nice, but yeah. So thank you for watching, guys. Please comment, rate, subscribe. Like I said, this is the R2, Zte R2 by Visible Wireless. I'm also testing out the service, so I'll do more videos on that pretty soon. So stay tuned for a lot more videos, guys, coming now that I have a new phone in the office. So please come rate, subscribe, guys. If you want to support me, you can via my PayPal in the description below, or you can check out netbuddy.co. They offer true unlimited AT&T Hotspot, never throttled or capped, for only $60 a month. But if you use my link and promo code at checkout, you will save $5. That promo code is Sanchez45973. Like I said, all that's affiliate links, so it does help me, you know, get more products into the studio, so I can unbox and review for you guys. So thank you for watching, guys. Please comment, rate, subscribe. Hey guys, so this is just gonna be a little kind of quick recap with how the channel is going, guys. I just want to let you know that everything is going great. And like I said, I finally finished, I think, moving everything into the studio. I have a little couple things that I'm probably gonna finish up today since I'm off. But finally, I'm starting to get more phones and reviews into the studio. So hopefully that will entice you guys to, you know, subscribe and a lot more. I'm waiting for Boost Mobile to release more phones, and you know, with summertime coming, that's usually when they release some newer phones, so I can unbox them for you and review them. I'm dying to do an unboxing. So this is the first unboxing of the year, to tell you the truth, and that's kind of crazy. It's, you know, April, so about 4 months into it. But overall, I think it's a good phone, and you know, I want to try out Visible since it is a prepaid carrier. So it is pretty cool. So like I said, stay tuned, guys. Hit that bell button so you will be notified when I upload more videos. And I promise you the content is only going to get better. So thank you.